up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Once again, we're working on this Raptor, about to get this thing looking right. Today, on that last episode, actually, we did the front bumper, we did the inner core, and also we did the carbon fiber. We did the hood scoop, we did the full interior, we did all that. But today, we're doing the Tesla style dash. So right now, this thing has like a 8-inch touchscreen on it, and we're converting it to a huge, like Ram Rebel Tesla style dash. So it's gonna be pretty crazy. I'm gonna show you guys what we got going on in here. All right, so if you haven't checked out the other episodes, we did this full real carbon, all custom carbon fiber trim pieces. We did this. The whole wheel's getting done. That's why the wheel's not on here. I've been using my Corvette wheel. I've got a 2011 Z06, and this is my old wheel. I did a carbon fiber wheel on that. Go check out that video too. But today what we're doing is we're replacing this screen. So this screen right here is like I said, like an 8-inch screen. And the new screen we're doing literally goes all the way down to here. The benefits of that is it looks cooler. And yeah, that's about the reason. So it looks sick. So let me show you guys what it looks like. So this is the box. The brand, I forget what the brand is, but it's pretty high quality. I'm not sure how hard it is to install, if there's any cutting involved, if there's any like cutting wires or splicing or soldering. I really don't know. There's no videos online how to do this. Everything I've done so far on this thing, there's been no videos. So I guess that's why I'm here making you guys videos to show you what. As you can see, I'm not trying to take all the plastic off, but this is pretty big. Let me move this out of the way. Okay, so this goes like this. So it's pretty big. It's gonna look sick. And also you can like put pictures on here of your vehicle. It's really sick. I've seen it done before, and now we're doing it. So I guess let's start taking this apart, start reading these directions a little bit, figure out how to do this. I've already taken this all apart, so it shouldn't be that bad. So I guess let's get to it, get this thing all taken apart, and get this installed. Alright guys, so ignore the flashers. That's because I didn't unplug the battery, but it's no big deal. I'm not like soldering nothing, so I don't need to do no cutting, no wires. But so this plugs in, or this plugs into the back of the radio right here. But since there's like a hard rubber tube, it won't plug in because these are right next to each other. So I'm gonna unwrap this with tape and then pull this rubber tube off, and then these will be flexible, so then I can plug them in. So let's pull these off and then get this thing all plugged in. I turn that bitch on. Got the screen all in. This is Hector. This is his truck, by the way. You guys are meeting him for the first time. Look at that Raptor. They got the Raptor display up. It's turning on. All the buttons are hooked up. Looking pretty sick. I like how it looks factory. Don't look like no janky aftermarket screen. Looking sick though. Takes a second to load.
Ooh, no signal. What'd you do, Judah's garage?
I think you gotta hook up the Wi-Fi.
I told you you're a rookie.
I know. Gotta figure out how to use this thing. This thing's high tech. Alright guys, so it's gonna be a wrap. We got the whole screen all in. We got everything all hooked up. We still gotta figure out how to work this thing. Got no damn wheel.
Got the new wheel.
Got the new wheel, yeah. This is the aftermarket wheel. But it's all in. I don't know, there's a whole bunch of stuff. Climate, Bluetooth, all types of crazy shit. But looks sick. Came out sick. The carbon fiber's looking awesome. But that's gonna be a wrap. Hope you guys liked it. Next episode we're gonna be doing the exhaust and tune, and then maybe we go rip this thing through the woods or something. Go do something wild. Maybe jump it if he's down.
About it. You know I'm about it.
So I guess stay tuned for that. If you want to see the Raptor get jumped, you know, drop a comment, drop a like, let us know what you think. So I'll catch y'all later. Peace.